Hello friends, and today is your lucky day. We are making apple butter. I've been trying to give you guys this recipe for years, and then I always forget, and then I've already canned it up, but today I filmed it all, and we are going to get to make the most delicious apple butter. It is something that I always like to have on my shelf. I always give it away as gifts. My husband takes it to work and he gives it away, and it's gone. It's gone. It never lasts. So stick around because this recipe is going to be super easy and delicious. Okay, so in here I just have a ton of apples. They have been peeled, cored, and just kind of sliced. So these, along with some cinnamon, you can use ground cinnamon. I don't have any. I'm going to throw in some cinnamon sticks, a dash of nutmeg, some lemon juice, and all this is to taste, and we'll adjust after it's cooked and married for a little bit. So go a little light at first. So that's about a quarter cup. And then 2 cups of extra dark brown sugar. I make my own, so you can use dark. If you don't like the molasses, then go ahead and just use regular white sugar. But the molasses with the apples, phenomenal. So now all we're going to do is just have this on low, lid on, and just let everything kind of cook down together. And then after about 5-6 hours, we'll go in, taste test it, and go from there. Alright, so this has gone for about 6 hours, and you can see everything. It's nicely broken down. I've only stirred it a couple times throughout that 6-hour period. So now we're going to get an immersion blender and really blend this up until it's super nice and smooth. Okay, so once everything is nice and super smooth, we're going to keep it on a low and just let this cook down with the lid kind of cocked on it, and just let it reduce down until it gets to a nice thick consistency and it mounds on the spoon. Here is the apple butter, and so you can see it reduced by half. And I just kept coming in and stirring it about every 30 minutes or so just to make sure nothing was sticking. And you can see it's nice and thick now. This is exactly how we want it. So we're going to be canning these in pints today. So I'm going to get my water bath canner heated up and ready to go. And then I'll show you how we jar this up. Alright, so here is the finished product. These pints went for 10 minutes in the water bath canner, and we did a 1/4 inch of headspace on them, and we ended up getting 5 total for the amount of apples that we cooked down. And they're really hot. But I'm so excited to have these on our shelves. These are great not only just to have on bread or toast or biscuits, but also they're great to mix into sweets. They are it's an all-around amazing thing to have. I also made it really simple, adding just the cinnamon and nutmeg. You can also add clove and ginger if you wanted to go that route, but I think cinnamon dash nutmeg is all you need for delicious apple butter. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.